We have the opportunity together to change our own path, to focus first on ourselves, to learn more about how we think, how we feel, and how we operate, and then reach out and help others. What we need to do now is really learn that inside of us we have all the key things we need. We can make different choices and we can optimize to become the best we can be with what we've got. By embracing the Habits Health Transformational System, you put yourself in position to thrive in the 21st century. What the Habits Health System does is gives people in a very succinct package the things they need to change. See, our story isn't fixed. We now can become the dominant forces in our own lives and create a new story for the world, one of radiant health and well-being.